Hello everyone, let's learn how to turn off comments on YouTube Mobile. When your subscribers leave comments on your videos, it's a wonderful feeling. A message of encouragement, or even a funny joke, can brighten a creator's day. However, not all YouTube viewers are pleasant. Some people will say things that are hurtful or disrespectful for no apparent reason. When the hate becomes too real, it's better to turn off comments rather than absorb them. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. For this method we will not use basic YouTube app, but we will open YouTube on our web browser. It doesn't matter which one is it, so I'm going on my browser. When you open internet browser, go on search bar and type youtubestudio.com. Now you are on desktop version of YouTube Studio. This only work on desktop. Next you need to zoom in on bottom left corner of the screen and you will see a 2 button. Then you need to go on settings by tapping on top button. That will open a settings menu, and next you need to click on third option default for uploads. Now little zoom out, then go on advanced settings by tapping on it. After that scroll down to comments section, you can see a few options. You can select the option which you want. I will select the last one to disable come, and when you finish save this changes in bottom right corner of this menu, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.